So let's say we want to graph a system of inequalities, right? We have two inequalities that were given. We need to graph both of them and display the solution set. What we're going to do that is using a tool that's called Desmos. So desmos.com, you take you to this screen, and then you want to go to the graphing calculator. So we're given both of these inequalities. Doesn't matter if they're in slope-intercept or if they're in standard form. We can use either one. I will take the first one. Y is greater than 2x minus 4. I just go over here and I type it in. If you need to use our little keyboard at the bottom for your greater than symbol, or if you don't know the keyboard shortcuts, you can. So 2x minus 4. And then our next one is y is less than or equal to negative 0.5x plus 3. So y is less than or equal to negative 0.5x minus 3. Make sure I have that in. Plus 3. So this is our two graphs, right? We can see they're both shaded, and we need to identify our solution set. So if you're to graph this on hand, you'd make a dashed line, okay? And you need to have 2 points to graph this line. So we can use, I want to have 2 nice points, so I can do 4, 4. And then I can do 0, negative 4 to graph this first line. Then my blue line here, I can do 6, 0, and I can do 0, 3. Okay, I can make those nice. Now, when it talks about our solution area, you can tell that by the darker area. So you have this red section, this blue section. This is where they overlap, where you have a red and a blue. If you want to change your line, you go up here to this gear button, click that, click our color, and then you can change it to whatever you want. You can change the thickness of the line, things like that. Okay, you can change the opacity if you want to. So that's how we would change our graph here. Okay, or you can change the color. If you want to change it to green, make that thicker, whatever that is, you can do whatever you want to change that to make the contrast more so we can graph. Okay, once you have this identified, you can translate that to a paper or whatever that might be pretty easily. So that is how we